Today you will learn how to create a scattered plot in Excel. Open up your Excel worksheet containing the data you want to turn into a scattered plot. Now you select the data that you want to create into a scattered plot. Then you click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Now you select the scattered plot. You can choose whatever design you want here by clicking on it, and Excel automatically fix the scattered plots. You can adjust the chart or the plot by clicking anywhere in the chart area, then you drag along. You can increase the size and the width of the plots. You can also change the template, the design of the plots as you want. You can change its axis. You can also add the chart title here, and so many customizations you can do on your scattered plots. So that's it, guys. You have successfully created a scattered plot in Excel. To remove your plot, you click on this plot, then you press the delete button and the plot will be removed from your table. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Bye.